supposed to be like a month of ill luck, a bad month. The marriages that happen in November, they don't last. It's like a cursed month or something.
Chocolate salad!
Listen, man, I'm not in a toilet, okay?
Unfortunately, our internet is down at the moment. But we can take you to World Trade Center.
What do you want, Tinyara?
Munyara.
Munyara what?
Wait a minute! Just don't scream. Just come.
Come to Mama.
So you mean these two are not even together?
What kind of a stupid question is that?
Yeah. Explanation one.
What?
Go down.
Baby, promise me you're gonna come back home early today, okay?
I promise.
So you're telling me you got locked up in a trailer with some people?
A new Zimbabwean film directed by Nakai Tsuro, produced by Willard Magombedze. Starring Nothando Nobengula. Introducing Mafunga, Karren Kuzamba. Coming soon this November.